Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Zaza here, and I am coming back to you with a very exciting video. I am so excited. I've been so excited to make this video. I've been waiting for these products to turn up for like nearly 2 weeks, maybe within 2 weeks, something like that. And I swear down, you know, if you watch my channel for a long time, you know how much of a stan I am for Fenty Beauty, and now Fenty Beauty has decided to bring out skincare. If you've been living under a rock, you may not know this, but Rihanna has dropped some skincare and I'm about to get into it. So my parcel arrived not yesterday, the day before, and all I did was take off my address off the packet, which I'll show you now. Just took my address off. And literally just ripped off the sellotape because I didn't want to be doing that in this video and you hear it ripping. So, but I haven't actually looked at the products. I'm so excited. So, if you are interested in Fenty, if you're interested in skincare, if you're interested in me and Fenty and skincare, then keep watching. If you're new to my channel, hello, thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you watch the whole video straight through, and if you enjoy, please do go ahead and subscribe down below and give it a like if you do enjoy it. And to all my existing subscribers, thank you for coming back. Let's get into the video and check out this skincare. So let's open the box. What do we see? Ooh, I don't know if you can see that. It says Fenty Skin. Fenty Skin. What else did it say? Fenty Skin Beauty. Loves it. And then there's a load of tissue paper. Let's take that tissue paper out. Then we have my receipt, which I won't show you because it's got my details on it. So let's get rid of that. And then let's get into this. So these are the 3 new full-size products from Fenty Beauty. I want to say this is not sponsored. I paid for all of this myself, and because I got it, I signed up to get it before the main release. I got a discount, which was nice, very nice. So let's see what we've got in here. I'm going to put it down and then pick the products up. It's easier that way. So the first big thing that I see is this. I will show you better in the overlay. So this is the Fenty Skin Hydra Visor. Invisible moisturizer, SPF 30. We love a bit of SPF in our skincare. So I'm going to open up this box. It's nice and purple inside, keeping with the Fenty Skin theme. Let's see, what does it say in here? It says hashtag Fenty Skin, clean earth conscious, love your skin, respect the planet, refill me, sold separately. So yeah, so this is the moisturizer. So if you follow Fenty on Instagram or anything, then you will know about these products already. You'll know that the moisturizer is actually refillable, so you don't actually have to repurchase the casing. So when you open the box, this is what you see. You have these 2. So you have the casing, which is here, and then you have the pump moisturizer here, and I believe I just click it in place. Do you see how easy that was? That was so easy. And then you're able to remove this again and refill it. I think that's brilliant. So that is the first product. So that's the moisturizer. Second product I see is this. So this is the Fenty Skin Total Cleanser, Remove It All Cleanser. So this is a hyper clean, soft skin without stripping or drying daily cleanser and makeup remover in one. So it does double. So it's supposed to take off your makeup, but also remove all dead skin cells and so on that you would usually do with a cleanser. So I'm looking forward to this. I'm actually going to demo all of these products in this video as first impressions. And the last item is this, and it is the Fenty Skin Fat Water Pore Refining Toner Serum. Obviously you put this on before your moisturizer as a serum. It says instantly refines the look of pores, reduces the look of dark spots, evens skin tone and fights shine without stripping skin. I'm looking forward to this. So without further ado, let's get into the demo. Right, so I have a bowl of water in front of me and I am going to follow the instructions for the cleanser, and let's go into this one and see how well it takes off this full face of makeup. It says use day and night to remove makeup, dirt and impurities, wet skin, work into a lather, rinse, and that's it. So let's see, let's wet my skin. So my skin is all wet. Let's open this up. Oh, that's another thing. I didn't even remember. I've got my makeup all on it already. So basically, you don't have to completely unscrew. Rihanna's made it so much easier. I can't believe I'm here with a wet face. But she's made it so much easier so that you just twist the cap at the top, and there's a little hole here. I'll show you in a close-up. There's a little hole there, and you just squeeze out the product. Ooh. So good. Let's see if it has a scent. I don't really smell. Okay, there is a scent, but it's pretty mild. It doesn't seem that strong. Let's see. Oh, it's very thick. It's very thick. Let's work this into a lather all over my face. Get all this makeup off. Probably gonna ruin my hair a little bit, but it's all good. I am not going anywhere today. Let's get this all off. I can already see it breaking down the makeup. All in there. Give it a fair shout. All this makeup off. Now let's rinse. Right, so I've rinsed that all off, and from what I can tell, it seems like all my makeup has come off. I'm just going to use my little funnel, just dry down my face. Oh, that was actually really nice, and my face don't feel dry, which is sometimes an issue when it comes to makeup removal. Sorry, cleansers. Some cleansers, they can make you feel really dry, and I don't like that. I like to still feel moisture in my skin after I've cleansed it, and it definitely does still feel dry. Not dry, sorry. It still definitely does still feel moisturized. So make sure it's all off, nice and dry. I'm really impressed with that. All the makeup is off now. You can see I'm totally bare skinned, nothing left at all. Clean fingers, completely clean. I'm impressed with that one. So let's move on to the toner. Let's see what the instructions are on here. So it says apply all over the face with fingers. So this also has a cap at the top, so let's see what's under there. Haha, she's done the same thing. So there's a little tab at the top that you peel off, little sticker, and what she's done is she's made it like the cleanser, where you just need to twist the cap and it opens, twist it back to shut it, and you can hear that little click to say that's open and shut. So I'm gonna pour a little bit of this into my hands. Ooh. Okay. Okay, it's quite watery. I may have taken a bit too much then. I didn't realise that it was such a watery product. And obviously with a toner, it's hard to say whether it works straight away. It's something you have to use over time, but it feels nice. Just work that in to the skin. Yeah, I definitely use too much, so you don't need to use so much of that. I'd say probably half of what I used. Just gonna get that into my skin. My skin has been doing pretty well, but I have been really craving a new cleanser, so I'm hoping that I enjoy this going forward. Okay, it's all into my skin now and it's drying down. Lovely. And just close that back. Doesn't really have a scent. I've been hearing like certain people saying that it has a scent and they didn't like the scent. It's too over scented. I don't necessarily feel that. I mean, let's go into the moisturizer and see what, you know, what that says. So here we have a pump. So let's see if we can just pump straight away. You know, new products, you have to keep pumping. Oh, there we go. There we go. Let's go slower this time, not so much product, and let's see how we go. So, let's see. Ooh, okay, yes. So the moisturizer does have more of a scent. Oh, it smells lovely though. It smells a bit peachy to me. Oh, and it's so smooth and soft on my skin. I don't know if it's because of using the complete collection together, but I do, you know, they do say that, you know, when you get skincare you should use the whole line, because they all the products are supposed to complement themselves, complement each other, sorry. Oh, that feels lovely. So yeah, I'm actually really, I like this. Oh, it smells nice. It's not overpowering. Don't get me wrong, it's not like a strong scent. Some people are saying it's really strong. I don't agree. It's really subtle, nice, peachy scent. I don't even know, like there's no, I can't see anything that says what the scent is. It might be in like my packaging, but that is so good. And my skin feels moist. I think you can tell. Like if I give you a close up, I think you can tell that my skin is much more moisturized. I look silky, and it's not like overbearing, it's not heavy. I feel like I could easily apply makeup over this and it wouldn't be like coming through, because you know sometimes, let me zoom back out. You know sometimes when you apply makeup, even with a primer over certain moisturizers, they're just too heavy, so they end up coming through and shining or oiling up your moisturizer, I mean your foundation. So yeah, I'm impressed with this. I think I'm gonna like this. I think I really am. So let's get through to my verdict. So my verdict, my first impressions on the line, I am completely impressed. I did have my reservations because, you know, like with anything, I just realized I didn't wash my lipstick off, but anyway, with anything, you know, you just don't know. Especially skincare is something you definitely need to use over time. But I can say that on a first impression, I am very impressed with this line. I am going to use it over time, and if you want, I will come back and let you know how I get on with it over, you know, a period of time, to really give the products time to work and see if it does any better for me. Also to pair the cleanser with my little Sonic facial scrubber and see how it gets on there, to work that cleanser really into my skin, not just with my hands. But it just feels so silky soft. It's not heavy. I can't feel it on my skin. It just, I'm just so happy. Like, you know, I stand Fenty, but I'm not gonna lie about anything. If I feel like a product ain't good enough, I'm gonna say it ain't good enough. But I am gonna give these products a chance. If you enjoyed this video, then please do give it a big thumbs up. If you would like to purchase these products yourself, I'll leave the link to the website down below so that you can do that. Please, if you do purchase any yourself, then please let me know what you thought of the products, and we can kind of keep in touch over the comments or on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram up there. And yeah, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Fenty, 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 Fenty. She knows what she's doing every time. Alright, bye.